Sega.
I'm going down to South Park, gonna have myself a time.
Hey, no backseats!
Strike!
Sonic, how about a lift? Next time, look where you're going!
Knuckles! We better wrap this one up.
Well, my evening just opened up. Maybe I'll check out that new falafel place. I have a coupon for unlimited hummus. So long, losers! Whoa. Where am I?
You're in Sonic's shack.
Oh, cool. Who's Sonic?
I'm afraid that blow to the head must have given Knuckles amnesia.
You mean like in hacky sitcoms?
No. But just in case, we should take him to a familiar place to refresh his memory, like in hacky sitcoms.
Your name is Knuckles. You're an echidna from Angel Island, and you're the last of your kind.
You love lifting heavy stuff. You're the strongest one here.
Clearly.
Try lifting some weights. Maybe that'll jog your memory.
Still not remembering anything.
Sticks, what the heck?
Everyone knows the best way to cure someone of amnesia is to scare them.
That's hiccups.
Well, no harm, no foul.
Whoa. What happened?
You're awake. Hey, how many fingers am I holding up?
Oh, Sonic. You know I can't count past 3.
Just to be safe, why don't you tell us who you are and what you remember about yourself?
I'm Knuckles the Echidna. I'm from Angel Island. I'm the beloved leader of this group, and the last of my kind.
Why so glum? You always knew you were the last of your kind.
Yeah, but suffering from head trauma really got me thinking clearly for the first time. Until I find a family, I'm all alone in this world.